This video is a guide through the connections used to install Breakout Box, or BOBe, with multiple InterMotive and third-party devices. The BOBe kit will typically include the module, a red-white T-harness, a 10-pin to 6-pin harness and a 10-pin to OBD2 harness. There may be more harnesses depending on how many devices you have on your vehicle. Looking closely at the BOBe module, you'll notice there are clear connectors labeled J2 and J3. Those are for InterMotive product connections. The opaque connectors labeled J4, J5 and J6 are for third-party devices. This is how you may find your vehicle configured with multiple InterMotive products and third-party devices already installed and daisy-chained onto the factory OBD2. The first step is to disconnect the T-harnesses from the factory OBD2 connector. Unplug the third-party devices from the T-harnesses. Unplug the top T-harness connectors from the InterMotive modules and remove the T-harnesses completely. To install the BOBe, locate the BOBe T-harness and connect the 12-pin into the J1 port on the BOBe module. The red end of the T-harness plugs into the factory OBD2. Everything else will plug directly into the BOBe module. To connect the InterMotive modules, locate the 10-pin to 6-pin harness. Insert the 10-pin end into the J2 connection on the BOBe module. The 6-pin end plugs into the 6-pin mating connection on the InterMotive module. For the second InterMotive module, depending on the product, the harness may be 10-pin to 6-pin or 10-pin to 4-pin. Insert the 10-pin end into the J3 connection on the BOBe module. Insert the other end into the mating connection on the InterMotive module. To connect the third-party devices, locate the 10-pin to OBD2 harness. Insert the 10-pin end into the J4 connection on the BOBe module. The OBD2 end plugs into the third-party device. Locate the second 10-pin to OBD2 harness. On the BOBe module, insert the 10-pin end into the J5 connection. Plug the OBD2 end into the second third-party device. Again, all devices are connected through the BOBe module, which is the only part connected to the factory OBD2. For more information, contact tech support at 800-969-6080 or go online at www.intermotive.net for written installation instructions. Thanks for watching.